Shorty just finished painting the motor for the 71 Cutlass. Now it's time for me and Junior to get the Serpentine system on the front, put this motor together, and get it back in the Cutlass. Mark that lower one just so if we have a brain fart, we know it's torqued. What we do is usually mark them with the paint marker. Usually we prefer to use white because sometimes, you know, down in the engine compartments it's kind of dark, and the white you can see with the flashlight.
Here, let me hold it.
Man, are you kidding me?
Tell you one thing, they like their belts tight. Is it going on?
Almost. Oh.
That's beautiful, man.
It actually came out really nice.
I like it.
Well, there you go.
It's actually a really nice color for the motor. Whoever looks at that car, when they go open the hood, this is the last thing they're gonna expect. Am I right? Yep. So when they see it, they're literally gonna go like that.